Hello po, I'm Catholic and my girlfriend is Seventh-day Adventist. What advice can you give us? I know courtship should lead to marriage, pero sa amin po, boyfriend and girlfriend pa lang kami. Haha.
Pag-uusapan kasing religion and faith and beliefs, medyo mahirap siya kapag magkaiba kayo. Big deal yon. As a guy, ikaw yung magiging leader ng family. You cannot lead someone na magkaiba kayo ng belief. Sabi ng Bible, you have to be equally yoked with the person.
Pero more than thinking about the religion, it's working on your relationship with the Lord talaga.
That's right. Pag religion lang ang meron tayo, ang hirap. Married life, sobrang tough na. Doon namin na-realize when we got married, himala pala talaga. Dalawang taong magkaiba, naging isa, at magtutulungan. Kaya need talaga ang tulong ni Lord. Ngayon, if you don't have personal relationship with the Lord, it is impossible na maging isa kayo. Kahit parehas kayo ng religion, if di nyo talaga kilala si Lord ng personal, magwawasakan lang kayong dalawa. What we suggest is know the Lord personally. Magkaroon kayo ng pursuit. Hindi nyo kailangan baguhin ang religion nyo sa birth certificate. Kasi yung religion naman, pang tao lang yun. Pero yung relationship sa Lord, yun talaga yung totoong magdedetermine ng ating kaligtasan. More than being in a relationship, being married, the Lord cares for your soul na mapunta kayo sa heaven. Personally, pinanganak din kami sa mga religiong pinagkapanganakan namin. But then when we open the Bible, wala pala pakalam si Lord sa religion. He wants us to have a personal relationship with Him. Again, don't seek religion kasi pwedeng mag-seek nga kayo together tapos kung saan-saan kayo religion mapasama.
It's not about having the same religion lang. Anin mo yung same nga kayo religion pero hindi naman yung tunay na Diyos yung sinasamba nyo. Or hindi nyo na naman nalaman yung purpose ng Creator nyo sa inyo.
That's right.
Yung kailangan nyo malaman is having personal relationship with our Creator. The one created the heaven and earth. Siya talaga yung mag-help sa inyo na parehas kayo ng direksyon, parehas kayo ng plano.
Yeah.
Kasi siya yung mag-speak sa inyo kasi siya yung gumawa sa atin eh. Kami, same kami ng faith, same kami ng pinag-churchan. Pero yung nakakapag-direct sa amin is yung relationship namin dun sa Creator namin.
As a man, ikaw talaga yung magiging leader ng future household.
Tama,
no?
tama.
So I suggest bro, you lead the both of you na hanapin talaga si Lord. If you know someone na makaka-help sa inyo para maging deeper yung relationship kay Lord, reach out to those people. Open the Bible, may Bible sa phone, or bili kayo ng Bible together, pray kayo together. Seek nyo si Lord together.
Kasi man, may care siya eh sa future and that's
Yeah.
good kasi parang
Yun talaga,
he's
maganda
starting to
iniisip
lead.
talaga yan.
Oo. So ikaw, start with yourself. Start asking the Lord, Lord, how do I know you deeper? Lord, send me people so I can know you more.
Again, it's not about the religion. The most important thing is the both of you have a relationship with the Lord. Yung religion, pang papel lang yun. Pero yung relationship, yun yung pang eternal relationship kay Lord.
Yun ang pinakamahalaga.